Samsung's long-awaited TriFold phone is finally real, and today we have the official name, chipset details, camera specs, and even the exact thickness of the Galaxy Z TriFold. And trust me, this thing might be the most ambitious foldable Samsung has ever made. Let's get into everything Evan Blass just leaked. According to him, Samsung has finally confirmed the name as Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Yep, Samsung is keeping the iconic Z series branding. No fancy Galaxy G Fold, no experimental new category, just the TriFold joining the same family as the Fold and Flip. This makes sense. Samsung wants the TriFold to feel like a natural step up from the Fold lineup, not a weird one-off device. The chipset is where things get interesting. Blass confirms it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon, but doesn't mention which one. There's been confusion between the Snapdragon 8 Elite and the 8 Elite Gen 5, but all signs point to the Gen 5. Why? Because this device is huge, a 10-inch multitasking monster, and Samsung's pushing it as a premium tier, above the Z Fold 8, which is also expected to use the Gen 5. So yeah, expect the latest Qualcomm silicon. On the camera front, Samsung is reportedly giving the Z TriFold the same 200MP main camera as the Fold 7. So, top-tier imaging is basically guaranteed. And for battery, things finally make sense. Blass lists a 5,437 mAh rated capacity, and yes, that's slightly lower than the 5,600 mAh leak from before. But here's the catch. Rated capacity means minimum guaranteed capacity. Typical capacity is what you actually get most of the time. So both leaks are likely talking about the same battery. Now the screens, this is where Samsung flexes. The cover screen measures 6.5 inches with a crazy 2,600 nits of peak brightness. And the main display? A 10-inch AMOLED panel that hits 1,600 nits. So yeah, this thing is basically a mini tablet in your pocket. And get this, when unfolded, the Z TriFold measures between 3.9mm and 4.2mm. For comparison, Huawei's Mate X-T Ultimate ranges from 3.6mm to 4.8mm. So Samsung is right there in the same league. Thin, premium, futuristic. But there's one catch, and it's a big one. Samsung is reportedly planning a limited launch of just 20,000 to 30,000 units, starting only in Korea and select Asian markets. No word yet on a global release. This might be Samsung's most exclusive foldable ever. So what do you think? Is the Galaxy Z TriFold the future of foldables, or just an expensive experiment? Drop your thoughts below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.